C asks you to describe how the conductivity of a solution of nitrous acid would change if it was titrated with a solution of NaOH. Explain your reasoning. So let's start by drawing our chemical equation. We're taking nitrous acid and adding sodium hydroxide, which will dissociate into hydroxide, and this will form water and nitrite, NO2 minus. OH minus, hydroxide, is a strong base. That means it will take any H pluses in solution. So at the beginning of this reaction, before we've titrated with anything, we have something similar to this reaction vessel up here. And remember that conductivity is dependent upon ions. So however many ions there are in solution, that determines what the conductivity will be. So really what this question is asking is, how are the amount of ions changing as it's titrated with this strong base? So at the beginning, there are relatively low numbers of ions because it's a weak acid. So in the beginning, with just HNO2, it's a weak acid. So a low amount of ions. But as we add this very strong base, we start making more and more NO2 in solution. So as we add OH minus, we start changing these into water, water, into water, into water, into water. And now our solution is made up of many ions, these NO2 ions, and additionally we have sodium ions in solution that came from the salt, NaOH. So as the solution is titrated, we make more and more ions than we had to begin with. You know, here we only have maybe 4 ions, and here we have 6 ions. So we've got more ions in solution. So as it's titrated, it will become more conductive.